Justin Casazza. I'm the owner of Savageland RX-7, which is a FC's parts supply guru, housing, whatever you want to call it. I have a lot of FC parts, 27 RX-7s, and I build second gens mostly and drift the verts. From Jackson, New Jersey. I've been racing since I was 11. Grew up racing go-karts. Now I drift RX-7s. I got into cars when I was probably born. My dad grew up racing with me, so he brought me to the track. I was racing Skip Barber racing series when I was 4 or 5, so I was at the track all the time with him. What made me fall in love with RX-7s was when I was 5 or 6, I seen the 77 RX-7 1992 prototype car win at Lime Rock, and that's what made me fall in love with RX-7s and the rotary engine. That car is probably the most awesome Mazda ever built. My favorite thing about the RX-7s is that it's a rotary engine and they're very light and well balanced. The car we're talking about today is my vert I built 3 years ago, which has a Bridgeport that JPR Engines built. James built a really great engine. Makes lots of power. It needs to be tuned by Wilmer when I get a chance. I'll stand alone in it. It's NA right now. It's got some turbo parts in it, but mostly naturally aspirated. It's a Series 5 engine that James built. Very good engine. It's got probably $8,000 in suspension. It's got BC coilovers, Racing Beat sway bars, the old AWR bearings and bushings, and all rear steer delete, all solid bushings. A lightweight flywheel, and turbo rear in it. Got a roll cage, short shifter, coil 4-core radiators, some electric fans. Makes a lot of power for a Bridgeport. There are plenty of replacements in my yard. They're all RX-7s. That's all I would replace it with. This car is actually again swapped to another convertible that I have that has a cage already welded in it. That is almost ready for the next season, so everything's coming off this chassis and going on the new chassis. It's unspeakable. It's just an emotion that's like another aura, like Initial D almost. I just like building RX-7s. I collect them. I had 35 second gens. I got 1 third gen, a couple RX-8s. If you ever need any second gen parts, let me know. I got pretty much most of everything you can ever want. Most of the turbo parts I'm keeping and using. I have a bunch of turbo parts and engines in my garage right now that are for projects. It feels like I'm a hoarder, but I love these cars.
Thank you for watching this video. You can follow Justin at Savageland RX-7 on Instagram. And if you like this video and if you would like to see more videos like this, please let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to click the like and the subscribe button because I'm currently recording a few more cars in the New York City area. So stay tuned, and of course follow me on Instagram at Rough Roader and the Facebook page at Rough Roader. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you very much.